Good evening po. Good evening sa lahat. Good. Ano ba yan? Good evening sa all. Good. At sa bawat muka never told you. Hi, good evening. Good evening sa all. Thank you so much. People in the house. Naghang na. At naghang na nga. Hi, salamat sa 10 million. Thank you po. So, Skibidi Resit. Welcome back, Skibidi. Welcome back. Welcome back, Skibidi. Kumusta? Kumusta, Skibidi? Ay, salamat sa thumbs up. Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you sa 3 thumbs up. Thank you so much. 15. Salamat. Hello, salamat po. Salamat sa 3 thumbs up. Thank you so much. 15. Salamat. Thank you po. Thank you po sa lahat. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Kumusta? Thumbs up, Dan. Hi, Greg. Kumusta, Greg? Salamat. Thank you. Skibidi Rizet. Hi. Thank you so much. Thank you for visiting my live. How are you, Greg? Thank you for the thumbs up. Good evening po. Good evening din, Greg. Thank you for the thumbs up. Magalang, magalang na bata. You know the words. Good evening po. The po. Meaning of po. Opo. Salamat. Salamat sa nag-thumbs up. I'm better now. That's good. Need to move on. That's life. Greg. What is po, lol? Po, it's a polite word from Filipino language. Very polite. Using po means someone using po here is a good person, very nice person, very kind person. Using po and the po. Thank you so much for 5 million. Salamat po. Kids playing basketball. Yes, basketball, volleyball. They playing here. Look. Hey, my friend, how are you? Hi, Troy Matis. I'm good, Troy Matis. How are you? Long time no here. Long time no here. Thank you. Troy Matis, how are you? It's been a minute since last I spoke. I'm doing good. Okay. What are you doing now? Try matters. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Thank you so much for the 4 million. Tumambay sa aking bahay. Salamat po. Just getting off work, just decided to get on live. Okay. Okay. Masakit na yung ulo ko. Until the welcome everyone. Please comment, like, and subscribe, guys. Thank you, Greg. Thank you so much, Greg. Thank you. Sa bawat no po. Migraine. You made me smile when you smiled. Really? Maybe I look, I look, what? I look when I smile. Tired. Ah, sakit na. I smell my worries. Your smile is beautiful. Ah, talaga. Tagal-tagal lang kita yung tinga ko. Para lang ako talaga. Nakakainis. Hindi naman. Ano naman ito? Charat. Can you repeat that? What? What should I repeat? The repeat what? What tanong? Ano yun? That Tagalog I understood a tiny bit. Tiny bit. I said, I forgot what I said. A tiny bit. Ano ba? Here. Oh, oh, oh. Antok. How is your family doing? They're watching TV. My parents are watching TV. My son, they already sleep na. Me, I still wake up. Where is your coffee? I have no coffee now. Ma, no coffee. For Sheryl, no coffee. I feel sad na coffee. I can't believe that. Yeah. Ay, no coffee. Still believe in love you. You love? I still believe in love. Yeah, do you remember me? Yeah, I remember you, Yum Yum. I remember you. I'm not forgetting. How are you, Yum Yum Burger? Thank you for joining me here, my live. Kumusta ka na, Yum Yum? Ilang weeks lang ako hindi nag-live. Makalimutan agad kita. Kumusta na, Yum Yum? The Yum Yum Burger. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream burger. I saw your picture, black bikini on the beach. Black bikini? No, it's not real me. Just EI. Just EI, Greg. On Facebook. How I wish it's me. Ah, the EI was amazing char. Yes. Amazing AI. What's up, Greg from Yum Yum? Let's Hello, Yum Yum from Greg. Kumusta, Yum Yum? I be saying Burnok. Burnok have I have a girlfriend. Busy for the relationships. Burnok busy for his relationship. Into this is my birthday. Wow! Happy birthday, Yum Yum! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. If you forgot, I'm 6 years old. Yeah, I forgot. I know you, Yum Yum, but I forgot your age. Congratulations, Yum Yum. Happy birthday, Yum Yum. Congratulations daw from Greg. Wow. Still believe in loving you. You look great, Cheryl. Thank you, Greg. I have a question. Do you go in live every day? Okay. I will do now, live every day. Because, I fixed the why I'm not can't go live in the past few weeks. I got restrict from, from YouTube. Can't go live. But for now, I fixed it and come back. I will go live every day for the watch hours. Hope I reach the goal. It helps me a lot when you're joining my live every day. It helps me a lot. Put on lipstick. Maybe next time I will put lipstick. Oh, it looks pale. I look pale. Yes, Greg, I need to put lipstick. Maybe it makes me beautiful, I think. Para you still believe in love. You look great without it. I'm just saying. Maybe I'm more. Maybe if I put. Maybe if I put lipstick, it it changed me. I look different. Maybe I think I'm more beautiful. Maybe. Car. Antok na ako. Kayang iwan ka, hindi ko kayang iwan ka. Pagkat sa puso kong ito, talagang mahal kita. Antok na. Laban lang. Ano ka pa? Hari pa rin tuturo. Di pa napagan.
Payong ka.
Ha?
Payong ka.
Turog na. You look great. 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 Si great. Without you, all of it needs time.